Huzur, is it possible for a Waqifat to have an occupation after her marriage?
You see, if you are a doctor or a teacher, these are good professions. You are a student or you are a professional?
I'm just graduated from nutritionist.
This is a good profession. It helps humanity. And after the marriage, you can ask your husband. If he is happy that you continue with your work, you should continue. If he says no, you should not, then you should not do it, but voluntarily you can do it with Lajnah and other Jamaati organizations or any charity organization. But there is no harm in continuing your profession even after marriage, but at least you must seek the consent of your husband. And also remember that when you start family life, when your children are born, this is the duty of the mother to look after the children, to bring them up in a good atmosphere and with all the good conditions. So your first responsibility is to take care of your household, your children, your husband. And after that, if you find some time, then you can do the job as well. And if you think that you can do justice with your profession, and at the same time you can also do justice with your children and your household affairs, then you can do both things together.